In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Buy It Now button on product pages in Shopify. If you've ever encountered the frustration of a missing Buy It Now button, you're certainly not alone. This button is crucial as it significantly streamlines the purchasing process for your customers, boosting the potential for sales. So let's dive into how you can bring it back with just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Shopify website. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or a newcomer, the first port of call to resolve this issue is logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll instantly gain access to the Shopify dashboard, your principal portal for managing your online store. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here you'll find a clickable menu option labeled Online Store. Click on it to expand its options. This step is essential as it leads us into the section where you can manage your store's themes and the appearance of your product pages. Once you're in the Online Store section, locate the Themes option and click on Customize. This area allows you to modify the way your store looks and functions. It's where you'll effectively enable the Buy It Now button to ensure it appears on your product page. As you enter the Customize page, a variety of options are presented to you. Seek out the home page and right next to it, hover over and then click on Products. This action is necessary as it's the specific page we want to tailor. It's the product pages where customers make their purchasing decisions. Upon opening the products page, you'll notice an option titled Default Product. Selecting this option is crucial because it lets you edit the master template or default settings for your product pages. After selecting the default product, look closely on the page for the Buy button. It's here where the toggle for this button can sometimes cause confusion and inadvertently disappear from your product pages. Locate the Dynamic Checkout Buttons option. This toggle can be easily overlooked, but it is of utmost importance. Ensure that this option is turned on. This is what re-enables the Buy It Now button on your product pages. Leaving it off is often the reason why the button isn't visible to your shoppers. Once you've made sure that the Dynamic Checkout Buttons option is toggled on, the next step is vital. Remember to click on Save. Saving your changes ensures that the adjustments you just made stay in place and are visible on your actual store. By following these straightforward steps, your Buy It Now button should be back in its rightful place, fully operational on your Shopify store's product pages. This change will undoubtedly